Hi, and welcome to LRB Math Notebooks video on the Magic X for factoring quadratics. The Magic X is a trick that I've learned for factoring quadratics. The X itself is just a regular X. It's not exactly anything magical or special, but it's a way to help remember how to do this. So if you take a basic quadratic function, you have ax squared plus bx plus c. So to fill in the magic x, what you're going to do is on the top, you're going to put a times c. On the bottom, you're going to have b. On the sides then, you're going to take the two factors that multiply to make ac and add up to make b. And then you're going to divide those by your a coefficient. So this may sound a little confusing right now, but let's see how it works in an example. So if I have 3x squared minus 19x minus 14. On the top of our magic x then, we're going to do 3 times negative 14. That's negative 42. On the bottom, we're going to have negative 19. Now, one of the things that's helpful sometimes is rather than trying to figure them out in your head, you can list all the factors that multiply to make 42. To make 42, you can do 1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14, and 6 times 7. Now, we need a combo that can make 19. Well, out of that list, 1 and 42 is either going to make 43 or 41. 2 and 21 can make 23 or 19. 3 and 14 can make either 17 or 11. And 6 and 7 can make 13 or 1. So out of those, we have to use 2 and 21 as our factors. Now, since we have a negative 42 and a negative 19, one of them has to be negative. Because our bottom number, our b, is negative, that means the larger number is the one that needs to be negative. So we make the 21 a negative 21. Now we're going to divide those factors by our a coefficient. Our a coefficient is 3. So on the left side, we're left with 2/3. And on the right side, when we simplify negative 21 over 3, that's going to simplify to negative 7 over 1. Now to write these answers as our factors, you're going to use the denominator as your coefficient for x, and the numerator is going to be what's added or subtracted. So our answer would be 3x plus 2 times x minus 7. Also, this magic x will be helpful for when you are trying to find the zeros. Just at the point before you write your answer, you would just need to change the sign on those factors. So our zeros in this case would be positive 7 and negative 2/3. Now you're going to try some. I'm going to give you 4 problems where you have to factor a quadratic. You'll be given the correct answers at the end. Remember, you're looking for the factors, not the zeros in this case. Ready? Go. Number 1, 2x squared plus 15x plus 18. Number 2, 3x squared plus 16x plus 16. Number 3, 2x squared minus 11 minus 21. Number 4, 5x squared minus 7x minus 6. Time's up. Let's check your answers to see how you did. Number 1, 2x plus 3 times x plus 6. Number 2, 3x plus 4 times x plus 4. Number 3, 2x minus 3 times x plus 7. And number 4, 5x plus 3 times x minus 2. How did you do? Once everyone in your group is finished, check to see who has the most correct. The person with the most correct may get a piece of candy from the bin. Hopefully this video was helpful in teaching you how to factor quadratics.